can tigers survive in the Amazon? This is a very interesting question because if jaguars rule the Amazon rainforest, then why wouldn't the ferocious tiger and arguable king among cats survive? But first we need to understand a few facts, starting with the geographical distribution of tigers, which is very key to answering the question at hand. The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest on Earth, and it is similar in some ways to the natural habitats of some species of tigers. Characterized by a hot and wet climate, the Amazon rainforest spreads across the Amazon River basin in South America. While one of the common habitats of tigers is the rainforest, there are no known tigers in the Amazon rainforest. However, there are several different tiger species which are distributed across Southeast Asia and India. In fact, the only wild tigers in the world are found in Asia and Russia. There are as few as 3,200 tigers in the wild, and they are spread through tropical rainforests, evergreen forests, mangrove swamps, grasslands, and savannas in India, Indonesia, Thailand, and the southeast portion of Russia that borders Asia. Also, Africa, Europe, and the Americas are not natural habitats for tigers, but it has been discovered that tigers do very well in captivity. Parks and nature reserves in these countries have been working to conserve the number of tigers and have created captive habitats to provide tigers a place to safely breed and grow their numbers. Now let's face the question directly. The truth about animals is that they are nearly all extremely adaptable, and if introduced into a new ecosystem they can, with time, find a food niche where they can support themselves. Most animals currently on our planet are here because they already adapted to extremely intense changes. Very few animals have specialized to the point to where they can't change from their current food source. So a tiger that's introduced to the Amazon can find a foothold because their natural habitats, as pointed out earlier, are rainforests, so adapting wouldn't be much of a problem. Another point is that tigers are invasive species and their presence would affect the ecosystem. The deep covers, rivers, prey base should be able enough to sustain a tiger's population. Of course, as apex predators, they would pose problems to the already existing apex predators of the Amazon, especially the jaguars. Others like the anaconda, the poison dart frog, electric eel, and others would have little or no confrontation with tigers. The major challenge tigers would face would be the undersized preys that are available. There are simply no herds except for wild pigs, and if it decides to prey on herbivores, they are adapted to smaller sizes. Even the deers in the Amazon do not live in herds and are mostly the size of goats, and a kill of one of these might not be enough. Even the canids in the Amazon live in smaller groups than their counterparts in the world. Hence, tigers would have to adapt to hunting some of the prey that jaguars survive on, or simply condescend to eating anything. As opportunistic hunters, jaguars can prey on almost anything they come across, including capybaras, deer, tortoises, iguanas, armadillos, fish, birds, and monkeys are just some of the prey that jaguars eat.